Hello, this is Mark Ellis, the trusted real estate advisor with Keller Williams Realty here in Altadena, California. Another unique opportunity in beautiful Altadena. There is rich history at this address, a few generations actually. The floor plan has that old charm from the past, the nooks and crannies where the 4 bedrooms are located, plus the laundry room, the bonus room, the back porch, and the small California basement. This home is ready for new upgrades, and the space has several wonderful options for anyone looking to redesign the floor plan to their heart's desire. In the immediate area, you will find grocery stores, schools, small retail shops, quick access to the 210 freeway, and beautiful hiking trails with amazing city views. If you or someone you know has questions or would like to schedule a tour, get in touch with me today, and I'm glad to be of service. I'll talk to you soon.